Hey, welcome to another day of the pool renovation. Day number 3, and man, I need a haircut. So that's the other thing we're gonna be renovating today is this fade. But I digress. Anyway, today is an exciting day as we work on this space of the pool and something else that I'm doing up here. I don't know if you guys can see that little camera in the background, but I am taping the entire process in time lapse. And I've inserted a couple of time lapse videos of the pool here so that you guys could see what that renovation process looks like. But I think at the end of this whole renovation, you guys are gonna see something pretty cool. The nice time lapse construction renovation of the pool. Today is an exciting day because we are starting the actual construction. They've taken out most of the liner, and you see this area right here? There it is, this area right here. This is gonna be filled up to an extent, but the mechanical room is eventually gonna be placed here. So when they fill this up, they are going to actually make this an extension of the deck. So they're gonna have to build up this wall here. Then once that is raised, we'll be able to use that as an eventual deck. But the pool will basically be this shape, a rectangle. And so earlier today, we got a shipment of sand and cinder blocks that are gonna be used and concrete mix that are gonna be used to create this space right here. It's coming along. Good morning, how you doing today? So they're moving really fast right here, mixing the concrete and building the wall. You have a family business. It's amazing. Like, you get to work with your family. A lot of people don't have that blessing. And you guys like each other, right? Yeah.
We're going to put blocks here, blocks over here, and blocks all the way here, because we have to put some strings here. To put all the concrete on top.
Okay. Do you do anything else to this concrete? Or
we're going to put like a smooth surface on it.
A smooth surface, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It has to be very smooth for the new liner.
Okay.
Here we're going to put the skimmers, the lights, and the injectors on the bottom.
Wow.
Drainage hoovers.
Wow, okay. All right, I don't want to take up any of your time. Yeah, I love that you have just been you've actually been teaching me. I could never build a pool, but I'm learning a lot about all the different elements of it.
If you have any questions, just ask away.
Thank you. I'm gonna get in the pool. Wow, so this is how deep it's gonna be, Christina. Look at this. You could get a nice dive in here, couldn't you? This is like the kiddie pool area. This is for the grown folk over here. I'm so glad we decided to do this because we were on the fence. We were like, should we just keep the bio pool? The maintainability of the bio pool was not feasible. And I think this is a more feasible option, an option that we're gonna utilize a lot more, that everyone can utilize. Because people have apprehensions about coming to your house and hopping in a pool that looks like that, you know. I think a saltwater pool is more appealing. So this is something that everyone can really utilize. The girls are also really excited about it. They're like, when is the pool gonna be done? They can't wait to have their first pool party with all their friends over from school. So that's it. Day number 3 is in the books. I am really loving sharing this experience with you. So if you guys like these videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. And as usual, join the journey. How did you do it, Christina? I'm gonna hurt myself doing all that.